Hello students, in today's video we will discuss a topic from statistics from the chapter of measurement of central tendency. From this chapter already we have discussed what is arithmetic mean and how to calculate arithmetic mean, what is mode, what is median and how to calculate. Sometimes we students have the knowledge to calculate arithmetic mean, median and mode, but they get the series in different way and they are unable to solve that problem in examination. So I have taken a graded problem that sometimes the series may be in different way. So the very first we should have arranged the series in the right way, and then if we will solve the problem then our answer will be right. So I have taken the problem that marks in the same series, marks less than and more than is given. Marks less than 5 is 7, marks less than 10 is 20, 5 to 15 is 38, 15 and above is 55, 20 and 25 is 20, 25 and above is given 5 and 30 and above is given 1. So the very first we will make the class interval marks. So the marks class interval is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 and last 30 to 35. So marks less than 5, suppose this is given 1, 3, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. So less than marks is 7 frequency. So 0 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all numbers are less than 5. So here the number is 7. 7 is equal to 7. Now suppose this number is also given 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 9, 8, 7. Suppose this number is given. So if we will calculate less than 5, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here the less than 10 is 20. Here is written less than 10 is 20. But if I require 5 to 10, if 5 to 10 require, I will include only these numbers. So these total numbers are less than 10. The numbers are 20. But if I require 5 to 10, only I will include these 13 numbers. So the frequency for this is 13. We can having 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. Okay. So there is no problem in 0 to 5 and 5 to 10. Now the problem will be having, here we have given 5 to 15, 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. From 5 to 15, the frequency is given 38. What is given? 5 to 15, the frequency is given 38. We know that 5 to 10 is 13. This 5. So here 5 to 15 is 38 given. 5 to 10 is 13. So 38 minus 13, that will be 25. Again 5 to 15. It means total 5 to 15 is given 38. And we know that 5 to 10 is 13. So 38 minus 13, that frequency will be 25. Again, one time more I am discussing. We have given 5 to 15, that is 30. It means 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. In the addition of both is 38. So one frequency is given 13, so this will be 25. Now From below we will start. 30 and above is 1, so 30 to 35 is 1. Suppose 34. 34 is 30 and above. So 30 to 35, only one number is over there, so we'll write here 1. Next, 25 and above. Suppose this is the given 27, 29 and 28. So from 25 and above, 5 number is over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all numbers are 25 and above. So these are the 5 number are 25 and above. Here 5 number. Now we are to take 25 to 30. So only these 4 number are between 20 to 30, or we can say 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 20 to 25 is 20. 20 to 25 is 20. So we will write here 20. Now 15 and above is 55. Again listen. 15 and above is 55. It means 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. The addition of all is 55. Because 15 and above is 55. So we have given here 1, 4, 20. So the 55 minus 20 minus 4 minus 1, that will be 30. So 50 to 20 is 30. Again, 15 and above. 15 and above is 55 given. It means 50 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, all are 15 and above. So 15 and above is 55. So class interval 1 here, 4 here, 20 here. So 55 minus 20 minus 4 minus 1, that class interval will be 30. So the very first we have arranged this table in this way, that the class interval and the frequency will be this. So I am writing here, then we will solve the problem of this. So our class interval x 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. Frequency may be given 7, 13, 25, 30, 24, 1. Now we will calculate value of mode, median, etc. So the very first we have to calculate, suppose, mode. For calculating the mode, the very first we have to do the grouping, and the grouping our model value will be this lies, because seeing the observation we can say our model value lies this. So this will be our F1, this will be our F0, and this will be our F2. So Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I, the formula for the mode. L1 is the lower limit of mode, that is 15. F0 is pre-frequency of mode, that is 25. F1 is the frequency of mode, that is 30. F2 is the past frequency of model value, that is 20. And class interval I is equal to 5. So value of Z will be 15 plus 30 minus 25 upon 2 multiply 30 minus 25 minus 20 multiply by 5. So value of mode will be 15 plus 5 multiply 5 upon 60 minus 45. So that will be 15 plus 25 divided by 15, 3, 5. So the value of Z is equal to 15 plus 3 1 जा 3, 2, 6, 7. So value of Z is equal to 16.67. So the very first we have calculated the value of mode, and value of mode is equal to 16.67. Okay. Now we will calculate the value of median. Suppose we are calculating here the value of median. So median, for calculating median we require this cumulative frequency 7, 20, 45, 75, 95, 99 and 100. So M is equal to size of n by 2th item value. So M is equal to size of 100 by 2th item value, that is 15th item value. So 50 is the very first included in this class interval. So the median group is this, frequency of median group this, and cumulative frequency of this. For getting accurate, it means our M value lies between 15 to 20. To calculate the real value of median, M is equal to L1 plus I upon F n by 2 minus C. That will be the formula for the median. Here L1 lower limit of median, that is 15, I is equal to class interval of median, that is 5, F is equal to frequency of median group, that is 30, and C is equal to pre-cumulative frequency of median group, that is 45. So we will apply this. M is equal to 15 plus 5 upon 30, 50 minus 45, because n by 2 is equal to 50. So the value of M is equal to 15 plus 5 upon 30 minus multiply by 5. So 15 plus 5 upon 6. So 15 plus the value of 5 upon 6, that will be 0.83. So the median value is equal to 15.83. This is the second calculation, and the calculation of median value. Now we have to calculate. It's very simple. Just we have to apply the formula for the median, L1 plus I upon F n by 2 minus C, and we are putting the value of L1 I F n by 2 minus C, and by the calculating we are getting the value of median. Now last, whichever we are to calculate, that is arithmetic mean. So now we have to calculate the value of mean. For calculating mean, we require the mid value. We didn't require CF here. For calculating mean, we are to calculate mid value, that is 2.5. 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Then 7.5, then 12.5, then 17.5, then 22.5, then 27.5, then 32.5. Okay. Suppose assume mean is, our assume mean is 17.5. Assume mean 17.5 value of dx. Dx is equal to x minus assume mean. So assume mean is 17.5. So that will be minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, plus 5, plus 10, plus 15. D dash x is equal to dx divided by I. Step deviation method is over there. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. What we have done? 15 divided by 5 minus 3, 10 divided by 5 minus 2, 5 divided by 5. This is, and this 15, 2.5 minus 17.5, that is minus 15. 7.5 minus 17.5, that is minus 10. 12.5 minus 17.5, that is minus 5. Already you know In previous video also I have calculated this. Now this is the value of dx. Now we require f d dash x. Multiplication of frequency with this. So the frequency is this: 7 3 ja 21, 13 2 ja 26, 25 1 ja 25. Okay. Now 21 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8, and 3 1 ja 3. So 31 is the plus value. Plus 31 minus 2 72. So that will be minus 41. Value will be minus 41. So formula for that: arithmetic mean x bar is equal to assumed mean plus sigma f d dash x divided by sigma f multiplied by I. So addition of this is equal to 100. So here value of a assumed mean is equal to 17.5. Sigma f d dash x is equal to minus 42. I is given 5. Sigma f, we have the formula is right. Okay. Sigma f is equal to 100. So x bar is equal to 17.5 plus minus 42 divided by 100 multiplied by 5. So x bar is equal to 17.5 minus 0, 5, 20, 210 divided by 100. 5 to the 10, 41, sorry. Here 41 is over there, not 42. So 205. So x bar is equal to 17.5 minus 2.05. So the value of x bar will be 15.45. So with the help of these, we can calculate the value of arithmetic mean, value of mode, and value of median. So if you get some differences in the series over there, the very first we have to check out the series and having the correct classification of the series, and then we will calculate arithmetic mean, mode, and median. So our answer will be right. Thank you.